Meanwhile, a pivotal moment at today's conference was the rallying cry to have Dr. Shane Alexis elected as the MP for Southeastern St. Mary. Former leader of the PNP called on PNP supporters to pull out all the stops to have the political newcomer replace Dr. Winston Green. With the details, here's TVJ's JANELLA PRECIUS.
The PNP have pinned all hopes on this man in their quest to have Southeast St. Mary remain in their grasp after the pending by-election. Former PNP President Portia SIMPSON-MILLER called the candidate to the podium, and her tone signaled that a lot is at stake.
Let me welcome warmly Comrade Dr. Shane Alexis. He is a good addition to members of the team.
Dr. Shane Alexis is new to politics. He, however, has a profile as a medical doctor.
Let me say to you, he is a very brilliant young man. And in his field, we can regard him as a great physician.
But what does he bring to the table?
I don't come with big roads or hospitals. I don't come with those ideas, no. It's obvious that we need infrastructure and other kinds of development. But the main issue now is to get a connection with the people to work together. As a doctor, it's very easy.
The PNP held on to the seat by 5 votes following the last general election. Dr. Alexis had a message for the voters.
I'm willing to put the work in. I'm willing to work for it. At the end of the day, the people will decide. I believe in democracy. That's what Norman Manley tried to get for us.
The JLP have targeted the seat as it seeks to boost its 1-seat majority in Parliament. Former PNP President PATTERSON declared that all must get on board to derail the JLP's victory train.
That is why I'm so happy when I see Comrade Alexis coming forward. And I want to say this. We're going to organize till we return that constituency to the safe hands in which it has rested. And Comrade Ferguson, you are the campaign director for the constituency. Call on me, call on anyone else. We will be there with you to ensure success.